Says, a dear new secrets. I say, just say, a mother of four, so whatever. Yes. I don't mean Jinji. And yet, be being tea and I don't mano. A good TV national can call for, but any advisable. A dear new secret. Because I say, oh, pictures, new videos, be a me, as a first now was super. But I say, what baby is so cute. Will not for me who says, or not for no, I'd see a goose, say, Gina Hall. Just say, a dear new secret, what aroma. And your secret simple. Okay. Because me can't was them. Oh, okay. Na me son, said your kind. Okay. Na me weigh almost 100 kilos. Hey, when I would that even is no? Yes, me na me that even is. Miss Turey, when I would that even is no? Me says, na me nyemo. Sana na, me be ye kasiye, be ye. Na on nyem. There be. Hey, when I would that even is. Get one cry. No, what will last born cry? Yes. So now that's so no. Yes. Please. Okay, young quay. Into almost 3 years ago, 2022. Okay. 2021. I'm sorry. Okay. Me yes say no, and I mean who say, and koye mame, me jina miro nima, na mira ho, because I'm young. I'm still young. I was young then. I didn't see na I say minjeja me husa. Wow. Me try bia with dieting, sports, you know. I'm fat. I'm fat. I don't know mundro bebre ni adie. Enya asem ketwa. Okay. I'm boame. I'm fat. I'm fat also because na ma bembu intem said that me pay result in intem no na enye sa emame no cry ba ko. Okay. Inti wow. Me contacted me say surgery ewo ho and all that. Okay. So me contacted clinic be ewo Turkey. Okay. And na omo ka kire me say me say said me tie enne no. Just say me twiansa. Inti omo can different possibilities share me. So to cut it short no me koye gastric sleeve surgery. Gastric sleeve metremu. A surgery whereby we baby I would di adwane ekwa kogo no. Omo twa be 80% efrim. Okay. Omo twa free ho. Uyeman kasa. Wo didi baby adwane kogo no. Digestion take place no. Omo twa be 75 to 80% efri ho. Okay. Meaning wo intake dia wo to me di abaye ketwa, right? And no me the train. So me lose 40 kilos. Not first, now we say 97 to be precise, 97. Okay. And I will lose 40. Me ba 57. Oh, okay. Yes. Inti me train sano na afide me skin ye very soft. Okay. Inti me fu be hange loose skin. What you see? We fu ne betigu ye. Oh, okay. A ba from all right, okay. But it's a betigu ye. Cause na was exactly. Okay. Me no for be flat. No for so because we be samaye. Okay. E be ye pecha ni bi. Basa flat. Okay. Na me say we dey mean to me janasa. Because I'm young. You are young. And I know I can slay. But me yes I know I can slay. Okay. So what did I do? I did my research. Yes, please. Okay. Yes. Inti me san ye research kakra. And I me san call Turkey. That was last year May. Oh. And I make a surgery be a friend mommy makeover. Mommy makeover. Omoye no for. Okay. We fu. Okay. And say possible auto. Okay. In my case, yeah, me to no am fat. I'm fat because na me fat no enye enough. Okay. Say omo be share me to. It's one my young friend go to and a doctor na ka say mfa. Doctor catch me through consultation say onye sure say e be fa. But me catching say on try the obit me. Say na wonye sure say be fa. Because na me fat in those so share me say one-on-one consultation or so me mo or ye ne markings no. Or catch me say onye sure say meet me anya BBL said ya me imagine no. Na me catch say all they on try. Okay. They obit me. But in fact, me nyane na me hu say am fat. Nto omo to go here. No. Like any humpo na mo to go. Oh, okay. Sa fat no like. Okay. Lipo no. Like I'm fat. I don't know how else to put it. Matthias. Yeah. It's wo ye wo no for no bibi shishim. And no a silicone implants, breast augmentation. It is silicone shisha wo no for no. Yes, please. Wow. Enti na fesa no. Ejina so pa o. Eti ye de silicone shishim sa na. Unya feelings. Be ma so ma na so bi touch no for na. Unya feelings. It take time. After surgery no, any small surgery I can want some. Surgery need take 5 hours. So mommy makeover no complete package no. It take like 5 hours. Na enye easy sir. Yes, ubenya feeling, but it comes with time.
It is here feelings no still and as I bet take it time.
Say me so coming me be me 1 year, right? Baako no aba in full.
Oh, okay.
Baako no enyam buy in full to say first no.
To say no, dear left and as a right no na feelings no woman.
Eno de menka.
Okay, into yamune dear. Yem fa bi.
And also almost sake fat no, that is liposuction.
Oh, okay.
Almost sake fat, not only me me chi like all around 360 lipo no.
Okay.
And amoye tummy tuck.
But wait me sorry John anka ya share.
Oh sure.
Yen share hawa because ye share time. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, who feel
that's it.
Jamai's skin. Who ya know say brofo skin patron na semai wadaro.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Into say the feelings na wo no funu mu no akakakra.
Baako no akakakra.
Baako no mum na akakakra just when you food. Say say na wo ho na tie egu na feelings.
It's even more sensitive than before.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Wow. Abrabom die no bi dia ye wa beka say wanu ho na die na wankasa nkasa wa ye beka say we die menu me ho. Aje me jana sa ha me nyanya nkamanye. Obi wo ho asof ma me otimi koye ne to. Wo otimi ebia ne no fu ye okoye beka say wanu no ho ne yem no beka wo ho ebia na ono no nim de wo hu ana say wo ne say wanu ho say okoye sa ne ma no.
Oh no. Hey, baby, my greatest achievement aside me mana ma warm no.
Okay.
We are dear na person me with joy and so.
Wow.
It will call me TikTok page now share me videos na
Turey,
regardless of the pain no.
Okay.
Na me cause surgery room no.
Time no. Director and patron need mu a ka betimi show sa video no amamia. I think the time na ye surgery no obetimi show amaya na ka ye nhwe. There be surgery time. Okay, we na ugina ho no. Aso, we na ugina ho na we shake. Oh, in fact we too sexy. Na e ba say me ma na help pa wo ho. Me ma na help. Me ma pa dey so. But who dating?
Yeah.
Why you engage?
Not engaged, but I'm dating.
But you are dating. What kind of crew?
Yes.
Because a man be bring na kokoye. Sadi no for obi ho no ma okoye for so de benya mema obi a woni motiva wo de koye but wo de na ha wa na se wo huni se wadi dem no ene ma okoye ba o guy no na ne no one ne wo hansa na okoye
yeah
na ni je ho
na on pair idea no
okay.
Na anka of family said ya na metie because also throw knife and all that yes okay. But a drew baby no obetema say because the name say makuma wo say me
okay dog me pacho wadaroma eni die kwan so wo ye sa niema we nyina bi wo Ghana e basa e die na abetimi aka fa ho na futu nkranhye ben wadaroma eni die mo
e basa na
you look so pretty just say beautiful me bro for ne basa dia pacho ye nko wadaroma
say e basa na de obeya ni say before wo beye no unim say wani gye ho say wo beye
okay
seek professional advice
okay
go for proper consultation
okay
na yin hu say oye right for the treatment and na say onye right for the treatment
okay
and also ehun hia pa
okay
enti say me kan say oba ye ho say ya ye betimi aboa am meet the right doctors to go in for the consultation to know what to do and what not to do tini na gina consultation they be choose the right people
okay
right clinic for your services and you won't have any complications oh surgeries there say me can say so be call a was no call what say chana or befia unya swelling and some pains it's the same process
okay
it's the same process I will be kuma ubenya some pains some swelling but gradually a be free ho
okay it would be for so why doctor na we just say okay enya bone wo ho
enya bone say
because a doctors for bebre na ma yeti ase say eye bone
debi me no enya bone
okay
say wuni udi hu di say ade a me koye ni hia me pese ana say me am body te say the sister to le kan you know on feeling confident in her body so she wanted her confidence back and no make it that decision say okoye no and wuni say ope choices okay yes say they say obi kra pese onwa obi surrogate ma obi senke be ka say ye boni
but dog sa niema we unim say niema me you wo ni nkwan because ni video bi a me hwem say me director ohu Yasu soni mu ontimi entini ni mu ontimi nyina ho ontimi nya hwe serious
surgery bia so bia wakọ surgery wo bia nim say wokwa sa na beba awokra manfo you chawa it's very painful we be go through the pain but with time no we be one say we heal
it's near my ben our doctor if I need you can so we because that's a wolf one so far
liquid BBL
na say yet social media BBL for no yet mo say mo social media mo na mo proper to no
o pese otonye kesi
mo na mo proper to no I say yeah mo na mo wapane na e go for to proper no na mo
and it depend baby I will be call.
Oh, okay.
Ye ma.
Okay.
Tina de bia make choose the right medium.
Wow.
Grab the right people. On se Ghana obia sorry obia ye bi.
Okay.
Enti obia ti o social media na oko.
Wow.
But there was a wanting see na won hwehwe mu. Na won say.
Eno ya na ne boarding ana. Mo je say.
Ne boarding. Liquid BBL.
Na e sure say bad. Oh, and then be sponsor from next week here. So be sponsor show you. Na ye share license no. Na ye go Supreme Court ne ho na ye share say bibia you okay ya. Na fe ye start e advertisement because me hu ne say we genuine pa.
Oh yeah.
Yankopon share me san ba ho. Dog. Wo feel but many age say wakata ho because me see you so e bia na wo hwe Mr. Frimpong nyina o ma ware Mr. Man ko mo hwe. Mama, me ba jo wada romance mo kan yi. Wo sha. Wo so wadwen kire wo ho anything na fe ye mfa course. Me dofo me pacho your telephone number na me shata rekoko na bigina ho no bo modin afre tafo wadwenkyere ebre mommy
yo me da say your sister story I was share ya ye hwe ne before and then after yetimu say your sister why you great
me ye jealous kwana say nyina ase ekoye bio so for me na adwen ho say so for me ka nkyere me say me de ma me nkoye
oh there be I'm not against omo ye bibisa
wow.
Esan say we are say Nyankopon kra de pa aman.
Wow.
The fact say we pay more me pe kokunte does not mean say ye atamfo.
Wow.
What I say? We hwe ne before na ene ne after na. O lose total confidence e won self.
Okay.
Ono ahwe ahwehwe mu otimu say magiegu me obi a me pe mahosiesie yi. Me pe say me so ni pani like me slay or you see the word slaying. Wa wawie sika wo fie. E was so man kra na eti mu no na nije. There is nothing wrong with that. Bibie ni yem from sofa eno. So what you say? Enti se obi na empa, enche se obi koya eyem from so. Ana ade bia ye wo ne merits any demerits. Ade bia complications wo. Into way the merits any demerits na. Dia ultimi betimi take risk na you go in for it because all you be a so pe gold okofa or pe silver okofa send your doctor kan ye no obi timi koye CS or the healing process no end that form you were talking about the pain she felt when she went to do it but normal because say why you CS that your first day enye easy doctor aso mu kra mu atena se no and not from pain na wo betse say na ntimi nka so obi enya kidney issue yenkoye transplant ye ko try ne kidney ne ba ko afiwo ayi obi de ahyem eno so ye procedure is the same thing say ono so ni padua no ohun say baabi atosin after say owo ne ma enti baabi atosin no okọ ama adokitafo omo a ewo saa nimdie na boa no ama na yensiesie ama na sini dadam I don't see anything wrong with that. Obi wa ha oyesofo beka cho say adenti na nyame abon you are fearfully and wonderfully made by God adenti na wokọ akọ twitwa wo nipadua na wodi bia ka ho ana se wokọ yi fat ni bia to agu me pa cho doctor wo sorry ayentwi wo se because nyankopon anka say sorry ayentwi yesen so what I say doctor wo sorry enyare because ye nka say ye sorry ayenyare once a obi timi nya appendix okay
hello good evening. Good evening.
Well, obi timi appendix. Emi ye kopa ni yem. Ye se be kwa ba kare baabi. Emi ye. Obi timi nya diodo na osam ye kotwitwa ne nsoro de another rubber tube e connect. Eno so ye procedure.
Hello, good evening.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Me jaso. Good evening.
Yeah, hello.
Good Good evening. Good evening. Oh, God.
Yeah, and a mommy makeover no. The same thing. Yako you be kidney yede for frashim. Ono so so de no so so ye koyi ne fat. Ne aye ne ye. No one knows where abe normal. Say we be lose self confidence. Etimi ku. What you say? Asa ukra na oti mu no na ninje eno nko a wutimi dream ma obi because ma obehwere wo nkwa eye number 1 factor but okoye ne surgery no wieye no ohun enei a mother of 4 see how beautiful she is looking. What I said, there is nothing wrong with that. A risk she took. Maybe I will not take that risk. But the fact that I will not take that risk and she took it does not make her my enemy. No. It's a goal she went in for, and I'm really proud of her.
Telephone number and a screen no anymore. So for me, Yankopon Shop. Amen. Yes. And for me, Miss I say, and to Quania and Yamania, of course, what TikTok, no, as an answer would a room. Santo Panto Quana, of course, what TikTok, only say your time and as I'm Moya, and I say,
Mrs. Macasaya, Moya. Me, wouldn't mean Nancy, Nasa, won't to mean cano cra. They be a menu benya problem. Okay. Me mean Kata, Yamaso, Mentesa. Okay. Nyama makane no obi wo ha nyama say
only said ye nti na nipa no odi yawa na say ahoya apa ne mu so no obe sorry just like that no wa be kon no wa be nya problem.
Me first encounter with sa nyama no say me ko boa obi boyfriend.
Oh, okay.
Mane beda me fie enu na ede ntokwa brand.
And no say wa ko obi boyfriend o say die it no na ma e ba sa no ho.
Na me like guy ni ko stranded. Okay. And na calling on me for my help. Oh. And I mean money baby die. After say me ne girlfriend crack aside. Say and come me friend the guy no embre no. Na yen solve mo issues na or say Debbie no. Okay. And I made the guy no e call me fie money baby die no. And no, I didn't send me bria.
It's not guy. No, now we need BBL.
No. Not while expressing interest in me.
Okay.
Yes, but me money who say
emfa because you will be. I will be.
But even semini will be cry emfa because me was the type of men I me pay na on can but na me penase. Okay. The fact that me peno in that way does not mean say unto me madam for my mind at that time.
But it's your how power.
Oh yes. My image is very, very important for me. Ehame, mindadao.
It's was sunyani yema bibri.
Oh yes, mesunya bibri.
So mama, me pacho, we doing anything. And tokwa na, wo akwaye mami aja wo social media. Meka say TikTok ne so a utu full shame crying kasa kire ye no. E dey futu na de be mai because e be TikTok a entokwa basabasa nua bore atem didie. And guasie and so be a person nyawa or person I no de TikTok ya they say as a TikTok I Supreme Court adani Supreme Court honey a case honey di asem honey bibia
Miss Medan the cause yam do
me do be TikTok mako gu ani ma se uzu se ma e di enti a wadaroma TikTok na be boy and I me boy
TikTok no wo ne positive yi wo na wo ne negative yi so wo
okay.
Ebi the TikTok turn niama.
Okay.
Ebi the pesca.
Okay.
Genuinely.
Okay.
Ebi the showcase niama omoye. Ebi ba life ebe turn montade empaboa. Ebi so be preach kanyame asema akra sakra.
Okay.
Obi so ba obe attack innocent.
Me ma me mpacho wadaro me ni die mu ayenhwa de. Miss Turey, una woda so yi.
Yes, please.
O surgery no nie. Na hwese ne ya suso mu director
ya ko same day of surgery. That was the same day of surgery. Yeah.
Day na ye o surgery na ni kesa me ho kra hwehwe me hwese na ya so mu asa wontimi ntene mu asa eja ebusu na fo mpacho mo hwe Miss Turey tama no oso oboshi di asafo ni bi em se na omo nana no nti okotwetwe ni nyina no em se dey no omo ye na anu so for mama me ba cho yenko.
Yeah, it's a TikTok no. I say queue.
Okay.
You want to kwa for queue. And yeah, what the okanya mesem so queue.
Okay.
Yeah, what the oto na de.
Yeah, wo omo mu didi atemu so.
Yeah, wo omo mu di atemu bodua.
Okay.
Ana Ghana for pe ye me nhwe. Se Ghana ni nam kwa ho na nipa me enu ko ntokwa. Obegina ahwe. Or drive kro be roll the glass or person ohu de ekoso.
De ekoso.
Ghanaians ye gossip paper ye akonkonsafo.
Me tua wo ka diwe atema me.
Diwe atema.
Diwe ani ma se ma me.
Ha, into wo ba TikTok no. We say wo niama wo pɛ ne hwɛ ebi hwɛ omo kwa de entertain omo what you say
Nshanka Nyankopon say ye ma ne bebre na no wo mo download
ye the parental guide ya to omo tab ne so
wonim say me ba girl no woni chese wo kɔ ne phone so a TikTok no hu Ghana ni ba akokora wo so
debi
hu Ghana for bibia
no eno na TikTok de ba FYP ma wo hwe
okay
what you say na omo kontokwa ne so no. Let's not get them wrong. It's a path they've chosen.
This. Oh, okay.
What you say?
Yeah, they almost were choosing.
Yes. Say wow, it's so beautiful. Obi wa no pay followers, only followers. O sha sister Nayas agidin. Me attacking.
You can't ho asema. You didn't throttle no so.
Yes. I can remember there was a time people attacked me. Omo di matem no, na followers ni follow. So if you go and check
Ghana sa na em se me hu no, ye di watema ye gu wani ma ase no. Na nya me hira wo. Brother Sami be say
work together for your own good for those who believe.
Yes, brother Sami be.
We believe.
Brother Sami be say, "Wo di matem kura, wo gu mani ma ase na nya me wo hira me." So ma unji di say e your tiny bayi because say wonim Nayas, wonim mama fia, wonim Miss Turey. Obi abetua wo ka sika kakra bi e de be mounti ebia YouTube coins kakra bi e de be mounti nipa na ba gunani ma asema me sai ni ma me rather ni nipa na yade papa for instance say Nayas ba Ghana yi yente Nayas ho asem papa Nayas
ne wa ye fa abro sui Nayas na ye ma hyiw ye wada ni bi ama obi bi tu
ma Nayas ye adwuma pa say nka yen support Nayas ndi ofrudua pa na ye piano wanye yen wunne ni mase mama eho ne de boho bi ma because enche ye de ba wi
ye mehwe no
mehwe no
o kan won asempa wonya followers o kan won asempa ewiase ente ne nka ebi preach but people don't watch it but they go and watch those that are fighting obi kura be ye story be say ono hwe omo kontokwa na de twitwi ne nchansi mu odi si ne niama odi dware ne ba omo hwe omo as a movie to entertain themselves and they are okay with it so you the viewer you the new person on TikTok no please share baby a kiwa o shall be comfortable with and then join that queue because obi come motivational words you say you don't like it you like the people that are fighting maybe and also and yes they like them obi was so 2k 3k go focus life in so no na fe o misbehave more na negative energy no build it up just to get attention of the people that are watching her.
Ye webusia ye woma ye bedi atema kosisen ye no bi ne be dia ye di kan ye no ye no ye hu say na ya se dia me na mani eden me wo bi kam ya me fa ne ho nche no but enei wotena se na odwen ho hu se sa ne mani nyina me hu ya e kama ye mama e dia futuo ni de hia me pa e na ade be masafo na wo mu ku social media meka se wo mu ku TikTok no TikTok ni ye abeboa but a science say ene ekunkum just wo bebie bia ye kum nipa wo ho eduabro e de afutu na mama wo de bemma
de meka ne say
mama patro ni die mu a o camera ni
ni die mu a obi bia wo hwe me a wo TikTok a wo kontokwa sebe wo bru nua wo ka ne ensem fata kire wo nua ana wo comment section ase a wo di nkofo atem mesra wala ebi a wonim abrabo ne mu nsem yi e dia wo ye ne nei e ya de e be wo ho forever wo ma wo nana nkanso a wo nchirima e ba be hwe dwumadi a wodi sabre achi anso emu ye ebi a na ya wo se wo de wa se wa abrabo dada enti wuntimi nsa nko wachi sane etie bia ne pa bi wo mu o say you are fearfully and wonderfully made by God wo betimi asesa a start ya programs a e betimi asa achi dom aba abehwe wo attend ya wo ye Would atem fiti 19 kojo pepe ba sebe sanya wugina na wugina ye describe why say sister na odi atem bebrebe no sister tuntum no sister kokko no atem dia wudi nti ye di wo maame atem ye di wo papa atem wo maame wo ba wi aso papa ye de nanim etri fom it say atem dia mu di nti ye mu bi ye srompo se be post ye busuafo e wo TikTok obi nim me ba obi nim me kunu obi nim me maame esansa mayam hyehye kase pa ne se animonyamfo etise egu me fie obeba abedi o matem se odi me nko matem amepe ba ebi afa we hu so ewuwu ebi ana unya hu ye atia emu ye sakra na se ne etie biara yesu don
nyame nhyira mama me pa cho wadaro ma hwem biem na fa wo telephone number etudwa obi pe for programs na se bibia wadaro ma fa number ni to German.
We dey o ma me na.
Mama mpacho fa to German miss.
Yo me pacho wo betimi arechi afia ye bo a e was 0244 415508 0244 415508 uko Facebook a obehu afia ye bo a Oko TikTok abe hu efe eboa, oko YouTube ube hu efe eboa TV, oko Instagram ube hu efe eboa. Dia efre bia wo de beba no. Meje wo so say ade di ebeba mabrabo mu a.
Nyamisha sweet mom. Dog, me patron sama ya kenyina bone tofa wo futu na telephone number any baby e show ibe hu mpacho wadarom.
Me dasi.
Pacha bi wa no kakra mame.
Okay. The American ni say life is all about choices. The choices we make today will determine by tomorrow. So always make a good choice. Nti yes so baby a obe hu yen ewo ambiance pa ewo tema tema immediately after the Tulako police barrier. Okay. And now obe timi afre 0264 885637. Now obe hu yen
number ni.
Okay. Obe timi afre 0264 885637. Now abanu obe hu yen Naya boa no choose when you the right consultation to go for your mommy makeover. We are there to help you. Thank you.
Dog, Nyamisha some to suffer by sweet mom Nyamisha some to suffer by. Mr. Rebe Pacho Wadaroma final words for the yakanyina Wadaroma. Because
baby I me coach na.
Oko Germany etina.
Please.
Moga.
Yes.
Oko jaye.
Oh.
Be Pacho for foot to Jamaica and san wako.
Meka about surgery side no.
Okay.
Me live sessions bebre or TikTok no so.
Okay.
But meka assembly wa habium.
Okay.
Before say ubekwa koye surgery no. Please do your research. Okay. I always tell you ladies, do your research. Okay. If you have questions, I can tell you about my experience. Okay. DM me and I'll tell you what I can. Okay. Yeah, it's very, very important.
If our TikTok name no
Miss Turey, MS Turey with a red hat at the end.
Okay. Nyankopon won shraw na mom kadoch hwem chiama na kadoch e kire wo mane na yadofo e hwe na afi doch na mpesa odi chat wo
alles klar ich hab's verstanden meine Freunde meine Verwandten meine Lieblinge Mutter meine Kinder natürlich mein Freund ich grüße euch alle ich habe euch alle lieb ich freue mich dass ihr zugeguckt habt und wir sehen uns bald
der okay nyina wo say I
love them. Thank them for watching. Yeah.
Okay.
See them soon.
What you say? Nyame won shraw. See and tone suffer wa. Udi ani je. What say? Sister Nayas. Me do from afar. Me batudu. Now program ni experience. In fact, ene wa me yenya deep experience. Mama ye boa so. In fact, mama fia be boa ye. Wama ye hu sa chia so emu ye mo bie mu ne ho abomfia. Doctor so ho so no so ebe boa mo. Yankopon, wonhyira.